Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night.
Good night.
Hello,
Waalaikumsalam.
hello everyone. Here we will present our presentation to you. Firstly, I would like to thank to Allah that has given us everything. So at this time we can be here and do our activity. I thank to Allah by saying Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Secondly, Salat and Salam also delivered to our Prophet Muhammad SAW, who has guided you from the darkness into the brightness. I also want to thank to the honorable person, my lecturer, Miss Nechi, and all of you for this great opportunity, and all my beloved friend. Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation topic is our how animation business work. Now I will read on by one the agenda today. That are the first one session is opening, the second session is introduction, the three session is presentation time, and the fourth is closing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before we show our presentation, let me introduce our team. I'm Muhammad Fatunur Halis, study number 2011 3730 as moderator. Muhammad Ilham Akbar, study number 2011 3691. Ardi Nugroho, study number 2011 3676. Pradipta Alif Prantopo, study number 2011 3703. Habib Al-Fatah, study number 2011 3701. Ladies and gentlemen, and now let's open our meeting by saying Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you. The next agenda is presentation session. For the first one, will be given by the first presenter. Please welcome Muhammad Ilham Akbar.
Thank you for the time.
Yes.
Now I will be presented about history of Disney. So the Disney Company was founded in 1923 by Walt and Ronnie Disney. The first film released was Alice Diatsy. In 1928, Walt and Disney created the cartoon character Mickey Mouse. In 1934, for the first time introduced the cartoon characters Donald Duck, Minnie Mouse, and Goofy. The second films released that year were Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Pinocchio, and Fantasia and Humpersey, which included fictional Disney characters created by comic artists Giovio Cavazzino and Carlo Candy. He is a detective who goes on an adventure to investigate case with his assistant. Didi Bebek usually has received an assignment from Scrooge. Walt Disney died in 1966 and Roy Disney died in 1971. Without the Disney siblings' creative and marketing guidance, the company experienced a drastic decline. In 1967, the Walt Disney World Resort was also founded. However, in 1981, Stephen Hillenburg left the company to start his business on MTV Networks. In 1983, the first television stations, Disney Channel and ESPN, were founded, followed by new assets, namely Touchstone Films, Miramax, and Hollywood Pictures. Also in 2010, Disney sold the Miramax Film Company to Film Yard Holdings, LLC. The situations in that Disney's involvement with the studio for the first time in 70 years. Thank you very much. For the next.
Hello everybody, my name is Arti Wahyu Nugroho. Disney marketing strategies. Next. Here is the best of Disney marketing and promotion strategies. Market segmentation. Disney takes aim at geographic, demographic, and psychographic segmentation. In other words, it targets multi-segment. Although it looks like Disney is targeting children only, Disney target market is the whole family, while Disney on-site or business will die if we only target children. Target market. Disney is well understood about its target market. The company uses it in-depth knowledge of the target market to sell all kinds of product and service. Disney caters to segment from children and to adults. Product strategy. Disney product strategy is based on customer satisfaction, whether in the theme parks of movie. Disney tries to cater to children and everyone, and Disney strives to continuously improve its product and service. Innovation strategy. As part of its marketing strategy, Disney continues to innovate to stay afloat as the first in the competition in the entertainment business. With rapid technology advance, Disney's strategy is to target children directly through the stories of Walt Disney character using several technology. Promotion and marketing strategies. Disney is focused on strategies to build a loyal community, loyal fans. Disney uses promotion strategies through social media. According to Disney official, social media lets you connect with unique customers. Disney uses social media under the name Living Disney. Expansion strategy. Disney has always sought to explore and expand its market. For example, Disney developed theme parks in major cities around the world outside the United States, such as Hong Kong, Paris, and Tokyo. Disney expansion strategy is not only limited to expansion in new territories, but also includes new product and service. For example, with Disney accounting of Marvel Entertainment Animation Giant according the right to about 5,000 fantasy character, including Spider-Man, X-Men, Iron Man, and the Incredible. Thank you.
Thank you, Ardi Wahyu. Now we move to third speaker. I please to Alif Pradipta Prantoko.
Okay, this time I will explain about the obstacles faced by Disney. Disney has internal and external problems. Next. Internal. First, Disney DVD sales dropped dramatically. 2. The poor performance of the movie studio division causes revenue to drop. 3. High research and development costs. The downside of limited innovation relates to the Disney business strategy. Disney innovated through continuous product review. However, rapid innovation involving advanced technology are limited in the company operations. External. First, competitors produce various films. 2. Change in technology. Evolving technological change costs a lot of money to carry out and the changing customer taste. 3. The rise of film case. 4. There are cultural differences. Cultural difference is in global market that hinder the marketing of corporate films. 5. Content in film. There is content in the film that is not suitable for the company main target market. Well, that's it for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Pradipta Alif Prantoko. Now is
Okay, I will explain a little about what technology is used by Walt Disney.
Yes.
Animation technology used by Disney, the first studio entertainment application of IT at the Disney Company using CGI or computer generated imagery in their filming. Digital engineering or CGI in the mid 90s finally began to take over conventional animation techniques with amazing graphics. CGI technology has begun to dominate the market of animated films produced in this decade and into the future. In Disney Park game, there is a technology called a photobot with facial capabilities. With augmented reality technology, visitor can change their face using 3D graphics combined with capture from the real world. And then IT risk management expects the Walt Disney Company has implemented current technology into their business processes. They manage to overcome the risks arising from the application of the technology. Overcoming these losses in the form of a business strategy, implementing an integrated information system, and creating a data security system to protect all data health. The change in business strategy aims to make Disney company able to compete in the global market given the emergence of the number of new animation companies or television channels that are becoming serious competitors such as DreamWorks and Fox Sports. The application of the integrated information system aims to overcome the additional costs that may arise from implementing the system. The technology used in this company, ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, has the effect of covering data cleansing. The process is waiting and repairing or corrupt on inaccurate record from a set table and or database, and the ownership of a giant company with which has many well-known subsidiaries around the world. The Disney companies has database information needed to develop its business, including confidential proprietary and personal data of customers and employees in digital form. Disney has created and developed a technology system to avoid the possibility of data loss. And then IT contribution to companies, the technology used by Disney makes a very significant contribution. This is evidenced by the staff of 97 prestigious awards from various film associations. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, then I will explain the fifth point, namely is the how to do Walt Disney business. First, you must be salesman. I'd say it's been my biggest problem all my life. It's money. It takes us a lot of money to make this dream come true. Walt Disney. All talk is often seen as a bad job. Selling lesson is one of the most important signs in being successful according to all. According to all, dreams cost money and you have to sell get money. By convincing people to buy, Wall was able to release his dream and grow to the size. This became one of the most successful media campaigns to help Disney become what is today. Second, leadership matters there. Key to leadership from the Walt Disney is his ability to tell stories. With this ability, Walt never calmed his employees, but he nails pursued them with inspiration. In this way, Walt confessed his work that they were an important part of a project and the result was that his employees gave to the best for Walt. Walt emphasized that is important to us be clear in your visualization and expectation, and that leadership will serve in inspiration and innovation and a focus for success. Three, always evolving. Whenever I go and alright, I'm always thinking of what's wrong with the thing and how it can be improved. Walt Disney. Walt believed in the importance of the future. He refused to stop when the animation becomes successful. Instead, Wall looked for a new business, namely making a playground. He is also said to often go around his favorite playground and try all his extraction to see if anything is wrong or what can be developed for the better. 4. Develop tolerance for risk. For rice. Wall was a rice taker, evidenced by the condition of the Walt Disney Company, which several times was on the edge between to the hill of success and the valley of failure. Walt was even willing to pawn his personal belongings in order to develop this company. He had become the greatest gambler in American history. 100, 1955, his entire family, including his CEO workers, began Walt to give up. However, once Walt decided, he never wanted to give up. 5. Changing your attitude in facing failure. Who said Walt Disney never fails? He fails repeatedly until he lost everything he owned, including to studio, equipment, animator, and even his work. However, he goes to rise from failure and goes to the start over after losing as well. His original character, Walt, got a new idea and started developing Mickey Mouse. 6. Believe in yourself. This is unique, is the collaboration between Walt and Roy, his brother and CEO worker. Walt always shares his crazy ideas, and Roy will try to stop him. However, with Walt's persistence, Roy was finally forced to fund the crazy idea. This kept happening over and over again until Walt finally achieved success. Although he was ever called a crazy idea, there was impossible in impossible. What always go to believe in himself offer other people with this attitude. Now Disneyland theme parks have spread all of the world. According to all, the impossibility in exists in the minds of people with a narrow mindset. In order to be successful, you must have complete confidence in yourself and not be easily by what people say on the outside. Number 7, never give up. Mary Poppins was one of the finest films of its time, and it took 16 years to acquire the copyright. Walt also experienced 302 rejection in his search for a Disney theme park sponsor until finally getting approval from a television studio. But often what the distinctions successful and unsuccessful people is their unyielding nature. Someone who I'm yet someone who give up when faced with a small failure will never success and vice versa. Believe that her will always pay off when asked what was the key to his success will reveal that I dream, I test my dream again my belief. I dare to talk rise and I execute my vision to make those dream come true. The key to success is still effect today. So if while who didn't have a family and good background could do it, why can you? We believe can you? We believe you can after seeing the experience of Walt Disney, someone from a family who is now located and has a low educational background, are you still hesitant to achieve success? We believe with a zero circumstance and yours, whether physically, materially, and morally, you too can achieve success by applying the 7 types of success in our Disney. Believe that every hard work always play off and failures are just probably the failure journey to success. Again, you again say to yourself, I can do it. Thank you. My friend, finally, we come to the end part of presentation. We would like to say thanks again to audience for active participation. Hopefully, the presentation will be beneficial for you all. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night.